everyone, this is Jess from vishwa.ai, and today I'm going to show you how to automatically extract data from invoices, purchase orders, receipts, or delivery notes to CSV using DocsAI. With DocsAI, setting up your invoice automation workflow is just 3 simple steps away. To get started, first upload the invoice. Next, set invoice as the document type. Now, you can directly export the invoice to your accounting software or define custom format for extraction. Finally, verify the expected data format for both invoice and line item level content. So, through header fields, you can extract key value pairs, and table fields enable the extraction of table data in your desired format. That's it. This workflow setup is a one-time process, and you can reuse the same for processing more documents. It takes a couple of seconds to complete the extraction, and it's done. Now let's do a quick review of the extracted data. Looking at the headers, it extracted the invoice date accurately and converted it to required format. Further, the total amount, vendor email, and other fields are perfect too. DocsAI also accurately classified the document as invoice and not PO. Now, let's quickly see the line items as well. Storybook at $240 for 2. Magazine at $400 for 4 pieces. All the information is accurate. Now you can seamlessly export the data to your needed destination. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day ahead.